Income tax calculation on 12 lakh yearly salary as per new regime in Excel. As per new regime, no such deductions available to salaried people except few to government employees, or other which is normally not available to private sector employees. To know about deductions or exemptions available for both old and new regime, please watch our previous video for which link is given in description. So now let's start calculating tax. So for new regime, standard deduction of rupees 50,000 available to all, and after deducting the same taxable amount will be 11,50,000. Now let's calculate tax as per new regime tax slab. So as per the first slab, first 3 lakh 0 tax, then next 3 lakh as per second slab, between 3 to 6 lakh at 5% is 15,000. Third 3 lakh as third slab, between 6 to 9 lakh at 10% 30,000. Remaining 2.5 lakh as per fourth slab, between 9 to 12 lakh at 15% is 37,500. So total tax amount on 11,50,000 is 82,500. Now we need to add 4% cess on tax amount, which is 3,300. So total tax payable on 12 lakh yearly salary income is 85,800 as per new regime tax slab.